Hello, I'm Gurjot from the CDAC data team, here to walk you through the Summaries section of DebtWatch. Summaries allow users to view aggregated debt summary data related to annual reporting and default and draws. It allows you to use Report Builder to create customized tabular reports of debt issuance data, and it also allows you to view the deadline calendar of debt issuance data recently submitted to CDAC. Annual reporting consists of three types of annual data required to be submitted to CDAC by specific statutory deadlines. The annual data includes annual debt transparency reports, which are also known as ADTRs, which are due by January 31st, Mello-Roos yearly fiscal status reports, due by October 30th, and Marks-Roos yearly fiscal status reports for both joint power authority issuers and obligors, which are also due October 30th. Annual reporting data is updated in the DebtWatch on targeted release dates once all submissions made by the statutory deadline have been reviewed by CDAC. The targeted release dates for annual data are January 31st for Mello-Roos, February 28th for Marks-Roos, and April 30th for ADTRs. All of the annual reporting data summaries are set to default with the data from the most recent July through June reporting year. Filters allow users to select one or more reporting years and to export data for their own offline analysis. In the ADTR summary, users can view submitted data in aggregated reports of filing compliance, debt authorization, principal outstanding, and use of proceeds. Each ADTR category of report data is displayed by issuer group and includes filters for reporting year, issuer group, and individual issuers. The Mello-Roos summary displays submitted data in aggregated reports of filing compliance, reportable issue profile, which includes new money volume versus refunding volume, outstanding principal amounts by county, specific issuer, agency type and purpose, as well as summaries of reserve balance data, taxes due and unpaid, delinquent parcels, and foreclosure totals. The Marks-Roos summary displays submitted data in aggregated reports based on data that has been submitted by joint power authorities and data that has been submitted by local obligors. The categories for both include filing compliance, reportable issue profile, which includes new money volume versus refunding volume, outstanding principal amounts by county, specific issuer, local obligor agency type and purpose, as well as outstanding principal amounts by the type of repayment source. A summary is also available of the taxes due and unpaid by local obligors. The defaults and draws summary displays data related to event notices CDAC has received. Event notices are filed by issuers with outstanding Mello-Roos or Marks-Roos bonds when they are drawn upon the reserve fund to pay principal and interest or fail to pay principal and interest due on a scheduled date. These events must be reported to CDAC within 10 days of their occurrence. Also, issuers may voluntarily report to CDAC in the event they have replenished their reserve funds. All of these types of event notices are displayed in this summary. Report Builder offers users a way to customize and display CDAC's debt issuance data. There are options to group the data in 9 ways by column and row, and options to summarize the data in 8 ways. There are also 29 filters to narrow and display debt issuance data, including by issuer and county details, dates, principal and refunding amounts, certain structuring elements such as capital appreciation, and also by specific firms involved in financing participant roles. Then finally, Deadline Calendar provides a list of reports of proposed debt issuance and reports of final sale recently received and reviewed by CDAC staff. The data displayed is for the current calendar month and also includes a filter for viewing reports received in prior months.